Hey guys, we received this 5-pack bottle brush set for test and try. 5-in-1 water bottle cleaning brushes, long handle, narrow wine cup cleaner, 3 straw brushes for Stanley or the other water cup, and the travel nipple lid, the gap detail washer brush. So it comes in this nice box as you can see. So different brushes. So the longest one is 14 inches by 2.7 inches, which is used to clean the the bottle, and then from the side, and also like the small brush is 9.25 by 0.98, and these are the all other types of brushes. So the cleaning threads or cleaning grooves, also like cleaning nipples, so you can do all this type of things with it. So with the straw, or the cleaning the straws with the 3 different sizes, so that's very helpful. And the designs also save space, because as you can see it comes like one on top of each other, so this is pretty good. So overall it's really nice brushes to clean up the bottles. So this also have the holes on the top, so if you want to put it like that, and then cleaning the other things.